Out of the Toyota production system, just-in-time evolved. The just-in-time system focuses on creating what is needed, when it's needed, and in the quantity needed. What was unique about the just-in-time system is that it covered manufacturing, procurement, distribution, and all aspects of subcontracting to suppliers. In essence, it was an early attempt to extend continuous improvement beyond one's own organization, while still reaping the benefits internally. As time went on, just-in-time evolved into what we know today as lean manufacturing. Since just-in-time was such a powerful strategy for controlling inventory and improving operations, it only makes sense that this pillar would be a critical piece of a lean organization. As a reminder, lean is a continuous improvement strategy that a company embarks on to maximize customer value and minimize waste. One of the key focuses in lean is the removal of waste. To do this, an organization must be able to identify, reveal, and remove different forms of waste. Pull systems, as you may have guessed, are a very effective way to do just that. As we've learned, pull systems build to demand. One way to facilitate this is to reverse the flow of information. In a traditional push system, forecasts and schedules are the driver of production. However, in a pull system, nothing begins until an order shows up. That order then drives the production process. In this situation, the downstream operations or process steps pulls materials and services from upstream process steps, beginning with the customer order as the driver or trigger to begin. When this occurs, just-in-time becomes a reality. In addition to this, as products or services are created based on real demand, waste that is normally hidden in a push system begins to surface, and this gives organizations the opportunity to deal with the waste and improve. As various forms of muda are removed from an organization, lean management becomes a real possibility. Before we move into the implementation of a pull system, we need to first understand three absolutely critical aspects of the system. To do this, we will use the analogy of a stream to better understand flow, learn how customers are not just external to an organization, and we will look down how flow occurs in an organization. With this in mind, we'd like to ask you a question that you can answer in the community or the upcoming assignments section. What do you think the three most important aspects would be in your conversion from a traditional push system to a demand-driven pull system? We look forward to reading your responses, and we'll see you in the next module.